Hey, welcome to another Basics of Algebra tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to cover what variables, expressions, and equations are. I should have probably covered before like terms, so apologies for that. Starting off with what a variable is: a letter or symbol that represents value. So it could be something like x and y. It could be any arbitrary value. It could even be Greek letters like alpha. Now, what is an expression? It's just a collection of variables without an equal sign, so like x plus y, or 2x plus 7 alpha. And then there are equations. The moment that you introduce an equal sign, you have an equation. So 2y plus x equals 5. Or you can have 2x plus 4 equals 8x. This equation has two variables, y and x. This equation only has one variable, x, over here, and 8x over here. There is no equal sign, and it's just a collection of variables or constants. Or then you just have an expression, and a letter by itself or a symbol is just a variable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share with anyone who may benefit from this, and also please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Remember the previous homework question from the like terms tutorial? Well, I didn't think about the subscripts and how those would be typed into the YouTube comments. Also the power, so apologies for that. I will solve it right here on paper and let me know if you got the same answer. This entire thing here is made up of 4 different variables. We have x1, x2, x squared, and y. And this entire thing is called an expression, right? Because there's no equal sign. What we're doing is simplifying this. We have x1, have an x2 here, 2 x2s over here. This combines to make 3x2, and then we have 2x squared here and an x squared, so that's just 3x squared, and then we have this y. That's the homework problem. I hope got it right, and I'll see you in the next video.